How to turn on or turn off keyboard suggest stickers while typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on General Management. From here, we then go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Suggest stickers while typing. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose emoji pairs, Bitmoji, Galaxy Avatar, Moji Talk, preloaded and downloaded stickers. And here you can also choose sticker suggestions method to show above keyboard or in predicted text area. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.